Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and where to check battery usage in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's check what applications are using the most of our power. So settings, of course, then we're looking for battery submenu here, power saving, charging, etc. And in the main battery menu, we have battery usage. There is a little graph here. We have when it was charged. And here are our applications that use the most of our power. Let's see more. Here is more detailed view. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.